the challenge of the day. I've set myself this challenge before I go out because I want to do multiple activations in a day on the bike with minimal kits to carry around. So I've come to this local park near me, just a kilometre away, GB 4457 or something like that. Anyway, what I'm going to do, it's called Strawberry Fields, which is a great Beatles nudge. I've come here to bring next to no kit, as you'll see, next to no power, no backup battery, nothing like that, to try and work within a set period of time that have 10 entities to register as a POTA activation. So let's see how achievable this is, and then another video will be me getting out there on my bike with my kit, trying to do multiple activations with 5 watts, maybe 10 if I take a battery. Let's see how I get on. Okay, if you search the many Facebook groups of people who don't do radio anymore but use their call sign as a stamp of authority on Facebook groups, they will probably tell you you need all sorts of stuff. And I know there's some very sane people in there. But it took a pause. They'll tell you all sorts. So let's say you need to go out and you want to do some radio, some POTA. This is a tactical case. In there is an IC-705. I got all this from Radio World. Other shops are available, but I love Radio World. That's just my own bias. And there we have a Wonder Wand widebander and a counterpose and some wire. And that is it. That is all you need to be successful. Well, I'm just going to test it now. Is it successful? Literally that easy to carry, need nothing else. So here we go. This is the wire's in place, and then actually goes the gubbins end. That widebander should be sitting on there. This is just a chain I've got, you've probably seen it in my videos before, to do this sort of stuff. That should be sitting on there, but I forgot the connector, so I've had to put a piece of coax in place. That's all, and we have the tunable counterpose, and we have a SWR at, bring this over, give it some of this, SWR, look at that, 1-to-1. Can it get any better? Give you the power output, a mere 5 watts. The question is, did he do it? And the answer is, well, just wait a second. Let's just bear this in mind. If we listen to the marketing people, we'd be going out, we'd be buying a very, very expensive rig, maybe even as expensive as £6,000, a £5,000, £4,000 linear to go along with it. Thousands of pounds on antennas, the best coax for minimum losses, and then we might get interference off our neighbours. And stuck behind a desk in a pile-up where people can hear you, but you can't hear them because of interference, let's say. But, or you could be out here. It takes longer, it's harder. Yes, I used FT8. FT8 is slower than CW. It's slower than FT4, but it cuts through the noise. I used FT4. It's quicker, doesn't cut through the noise as well. And I also use CW, which is blooming marvellous because it's quick as long as they can hear you. And I was working stations on, keep stressing, 5 watts with a Wonder Wand and a counterpose that Wonder Wand supplied. And if you wanted any proof, there's my logbook, 10 contacts which have been accepted on the POTA site. And there's a map of the globe. Thank you very much for those people who contacted me from Great Britain when I was on 40 metres, and everybody else who contacted me as well on 20. So yeah, there you go. Doable. 5 watts. Blinky bonkers. So those are my purchases. Little handy case to carry it in. Thank you very much, Radio World. And that's all it needed, right? That's all it needed, just to go out and do a little bit of radio. Like I say, it takes longer on 5 watts, but you know, we're out here enjoying ourselves as well. So that's a bit of an option. You can do both. You can sit behind your desk getting frustrated in pile-ups, or cutting through pile-ups because you've spent that much money in your armoury, or you can spend less, get out, enjoy life, arguably a little bit more. Thought for the day, what do you think? And it'd be marvellous if you could subscribe and all that sort of stuff. Embarrassing to even ask. But anyway, have a great one.